legend tool or précis. This is a French word, the mark given. You should note that. In French, we use the accent marks. Precis writing. What do you mean by precis writing? It asks you to summarize what is given. A passage is given to be summarized, to give the gist of the synopsis. So, summary, gist, synopsis are the synonyms. Note down. Summary, gist or synopsis. You have to first find 1/3 of the passage. You have to condense. What do you mean by condense? Shorten. To make something short in the number of words. So 1/3 of the passage of the word count. You have to know the approximate count of the words used in the passage. Don't forget that. That should be 1/3. First point is this. Second point is simple English. It should be simplified. No idioms. No complex sentences. Use simple sentences. Third one, give an appropriate title. And apt. What do you mean by apt? Appropriate. Give me the synonyms. Mushtaba. Yes, synonyms of apt. Suitable, appropriate, proper. Note down. Apt means appropriate, proper, suitable. So, the title should be in sync with the passage. What is the sync? See this word.
Yes, sir.
Sync. What is the long form of sync? Synchronize or synchronization. Note down. In sync with the passage. Shall we go to how to do it? I am going to give an example. Shall I give an example?
Yes, sir.
If you want to condense this, I am going to try it. Every man knows. We know. We know. The characteristics of a good man. Over. How many words are there? You see, you read this, after that you go through this. Does it not give you the same meaning?
Yes, sir. But it is not about that.
See this one? The word characteristics. His features. It covers everything. How many words are there?
1, 2, 3, 4. Not on the
Here 13. Here. Next. After this, 22 words are there.
22.
A good man should be decent.
You write down, then tell me how many words. He doesn't drink, smoke, or use bad words. Over. How many words are there?
So he abstains from bad things.
Huh?
He abstains from bad things.
Yes.
Bad habits.
There are many ways to condense a sentence, but I did not use abstain or refrain because it is a hi-fi word. I want simple English. He avoids.
Man
Be simple. Any doubt?
can't